Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great? ATXI, guys. So, interestingly, they did a reverse split on Friday. Stock got actually hammered down on that reverse split, but look what it did today. So, this is the pre market. This is 8:45. The stock was at 4:15. And even when the market opened, there's where it opened at 7, and it got all the way up to $11. When race after race after race, unfortunately you can't see it here. I did a reboot of Trade Ideas, so I lost all my top 10 winners. But at the beginning of the day, I think it had won 8 straight races, just as it was surging higher, higher, and higher. Very low float. You got to be awfully careful, of course, with a low float situation. But man, oh man, what a run this one had. And it may not be over. I mean, this may be just a giant pullback, but who knows? Maybe later on it regains 10 and starts to move. Another super choppy day on the SPY. Look like we're going to have a nice positive day, but the market is giving it up again. All right, guys, want to get back into the trading room. So have a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow, 8 o'clock. Bye-bye.